Hello, this is a quick video. If you have a dehumidifier, in particular the MeacoDry Arete One, there's something you might want to check because I've only just discovered it myself. Our dehumidifier was on and it started to, it's like it's leaking. There was liquid just coming out and the bucket was pushed all the way in. And so I couldn't work out why or where this liquid was coming from. And I even cleaned the top of the bucket here because I thought, oh, maybe this has got gunked up over time because the liquid seemed to be coming from there. And then I started to see this drip, and I think I know what it is, and it's underneath here. Let's take it outside and take a closer look in the sunshine. We've had our Arete One for about 18 months now, and I've cleaned the filter. I even made a video about how I cleaned all the filter grills. But look at this under here. That is absolutely revolting. I had no idea. I've never looked under here. It looks as if dust has just built up over the year and a half, 2 years. I'm just going to pull it out with my fingers. And I guess this is where the water drips from inside the dehumidifier. So the humid air goes into the unit here, gets sucked in, and then it condenses, and then the water that's extracted from the air drips out into the buckets. And I think it might even be a bit jammed up. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely disgusting. I think I need a cocktail stick just to root around in there, but you can see the stuff that's coming out. I think this is what's causing the drip that's not going into the bucket. That is absolutely foul. I've brought out a metal cocktail stick. Let's see if that gets me any more. I'm just gonna run it in the outlet. It's pretty clean inside now. There was just that build up from before. Obviously there's all this gunk around it. I don't think that's getting in the way. And I've just got some dust that's built up on the sides and on the roof, the ceiling of where the bucket goes. But I think all the water comes out of that tube there, and that's now free of debris, almost. See hair there. I can now put the drip bucket back on, and I think that should fix it now. So I hope this video is helping. If it does, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And right here on screen now is all my videos, a playlist with all my videos with the dehumidifiers and our experiences with them.